Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I will show how you can quickly combine data from different sheets in Excel 365. Now in this file we have sales data in three different sheets, and to merge the data in the first sheet we will use VSTACK formula. VSTACK or vertically stack formula appends the data vertically and in sequence to return a large data set. Now this formula takes arrays of data, so it's a very simple formula. To use this, select the blank cell of first column from where you want to copy the data. Type equals to VSTACK open bracket. Now select the second sheet and select the first cell of the data and press Ctrl Shift End key to select all the data. Press F4, comma. Now select the third sheet. Select the first cell of the data. Press Ctrl Shift and End key. Press F4, closing bracket. Similarly, you can select data from multiple sheets. In this example, we have only two sheets. Now press enter and the data from second and third sheet will be added in the first sheet. Now to remove the formula, select the first left cell of the copied data, press Ctrl Shift and End key to select all the copied data. Now press Ctrl C to copy the data, press Ctrl Alt V and select values option in paste special box. Click OK and formula is removed. To change the format of the data, select the first row of the data. Double click on the format printer option. Select the first copied cell to change the format. Format printer option is still enabled. Press Ctrl Shift End key and it will change the format of all other copied cells. Press Ctrl S to save the data. VSTACK formula shows #NA error when the column size are different. In this example, the first two sheets have 4 columns, but the last sheet has only 3 columns. When we use VSTACK formula, the fourth column will return #NA error for third sheet data. To replace the #NA error, select the first cell of the resulted array. Now after equals to sign, type if error, open bracket, and after the closing bracket of VSTACK formula, type comma and write value of your choice. I'm writing not available in double quotes, closing bracket for if error and press enter. The #NA error will be replaced by not available. If you like the content, press thumbs up and share with your friends and colleagues. Subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notification of new videos. Thanks for watching.